The digital transformation sweeping across the globe is underpinned by the power and reliability of data centers. From streaming services to AI, the demand for data is bigger than ever. But have you ever thought about the tiny components that keep all that data flowing? We're talking about optical transceivers. These little devices are critical for converting electrical signals to optical signals, and vice versa, enabling high-speed data transmission between network equipment. But what happens when things go wrong? The problem: replacing versus validating. In large data centers, thousands of transceivers are in operation. When network problems arise, the immediate reaction is often to replace potentially faulty transceivers. But here's the problem: many of these discarded transceivers might be perfectly fine. This replace first, ask questions later approach leads to significant financial costs and a growing environmental problem. Data centers are under increasing pressure to reduce waste and improve sustainability. Understanding optical transceivers, a quick overview. So, what are these transceivers, and why are there so many different types? You have various form factors like SFP, SFP+, QSFP28, QSFP-DD, and OSFP, each supporting different data rates and applications. They connect using different cables and interface rates, as a modern data center needs a diverse mix. Then there are coherent transceivers. Coherent transceivers are used for long-distance, high-bandwidth connections, like those in DCI, metro, and core networks. Instead of simply sending an on-off signal, they modulate multiple properties of light, amplitude, phase, and polarization, to pack more data into the same signal. Examples include 100ZR, 400ZR, and OpenZR+, 100ZR+, 200ZR+, 300ZR+, and 400ZR+, optical transceivers. The solution: transceiver validation with iOptics. The key is to validate transceivers before discarding them. This is where EXFO's iOptics solution comes in. iOptics is an automated testing application that can assess the health of a transceiver quickly and accurately. It quickly identifies whether a transceiver is truly defective or just needs a good cleaning of its connectors. EXFO also offers DCO iOptics for validating the health and operation of coherent transceivers, and DCO BERT for validating the health of point-to-point coherent links. If a transceiver is defective, iOptics generates a detailed report that can be shared with the manufacturer. If it's good, it goes back into inventory, saving money and reducing waste. The impact: sustainability and savings. By adopting a validation approach, data centers can streamline operations, reduce e-waste, and lower costs. It's a win-win for both the bottom line and the environment. In conclusion, don't let perfectly good transceivers end up in the trash. Embrace transceiver validation and contribute to a more sustainable and efficient data center ecosystem.